Hey guys, how you guys doing today? My name is Travis. I'm here to help you make great content on YouTube. Today I'm going to talk to you guys how to set up your GH4 for slow motion at 96 frames per second. Okay. Uh, Now, how quick? What's the problem? Like why people can't set it? Uh, there's a few reasons. See, record quality, full HD, variable frame rate. Set. Uh, Now with the variable frame rate, you either set that as well, okay? But the thing is, if you want to shoot 4K at the highest signal 4K as possible, then you can't change this. You cannot access this menu. Okay, I'll show you another example. Okay. Sometimes it's grayed out. This variable frame rate will be grayed out, and I'll show you the reason why it's grayed out. Okay. Go back to frequency settings, minimum 4K, set, and we'll ask you to turn off your camera. Turn it back on. Now the full variable frame rate is grayed out. You say to yourself, what's going on? You can access it just then, but how come you can't access it now? Yeah, now that's the problem I found out myself as well, the hard way. Okay, I was screaming, I pulled my hair out. How come? No, how come I can't set it? What's going on? Okay, very simple reason why you can't set it. Very simple reason. Let me show you. Right now, our record quality is in cinema 4K. Okay, to switch when you have that on, since our Panasonic GH4 can only shoot at 1080p in slow motion, so this is 4K here, the maximum that this camera can shoot resolution wise. Now to change back to 24 frames per second. Okay, now you go back to your variable frame rate. It's on. You're gonna access it. Let me go back. Do that one more time for you guys. Variable frame rate. Turn on. Set. Voila. You're on. Now 6 frames per second. That's 4 times slow down. What you want to do is you want to set up your custom setting. Okay, so you set. You go to your custom menu, and you set it to whatever in your custom setting here. For me, went to slow motion, C1. So let's do that. If I ask you, do you want to override your current setting? I say yes. Okay. Now I switch this setting here. Record setting back to 4K. Record back to 4K. Okay, that's 4K right there. Go again, 4K. Okay, set. Okay. Now this one here, usually that's where most mainly this is where I live. Okay. Movie mode. Lock, you can use this button to lock. Okay. So you can't move it. unlock, press it, and change to custom. C1, since we just set it to variable frame rate, you go up here, 96 frames per second at 24 frames. But with this, it's only manual focus only. Okay, so you make sure you know how to manual focus, which I'll probably do another tutorial on how you can do that. You know, so it's made easy for yourself how you set it up. Okay. This Travis here. Thanks for watching. If you like what you hear, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Bye.